Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the logic gate. So we are going to see the types of logic gate and how to draw them. So let's get started. We have the logic gate, which is three inputs: A, B, C. Then this one should be in this way. The output it will be Z equals A multiplied by B multiplied by C. This is how we draw the logic gate for AND gate. OR gate, it is drawn as if you have three inputs, A, it is like this one, but this one it has got a straight. That's how to differentiate this logic gate which you are having here. Then it is drawn as you can see, which is we are having the output it is going to be Z equals A plus B plus C, because this is the OR gate. The NOT gate, its diagram it is shown as then this one output here Z it is equals to A bar, because it is saying not gate. So that means this A, the output it will be A bar. Okay, so if you can see, this is a combination of AND gate and NOT. So how to draw this diagram? It is drawn as if then this NOT which we are having here, this is an AND gate with a NOT. Then output it will be Z equals A multiplied by B multiplied by C with the bar on top, because this NAND gate, that means not A, not B, not C. NOR gate. NOR gate, it is a combination of NOT and OR gate. So how does the diagram of the NOT? The NOT, this is O. We follow the symbol for OR gate, which is going to be like this one. Then here with a NOT, because it is a NOR gate, which is this is our output here. Then our output to be Z equals A plus B plus C with a bar, because it is a NOR gate. So now let's try to look into one of the examples. This is a logic gate. Z equals A multiplied by B bar then plus C. How can we draw a logic gate by using this information which we have here? We have AND gate, and this is a NOT gate, and this one here it is OR gate. So in which we have how many inputs? A, B, C. So we are going to have a bar, which means not B. So we are going to draw not. Then what's follow? It is an AND gate. An AND gate it has this symbol. Then this C it is direct to, because this C it has got a OR gate here. So that means here we are going to have a symbol of OR gate. A symbol of OR gate, and our output it will be Z equals A B plus C. This is how we draw a logic system to meet this requirement which they are saying. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that